Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, you guys already know I have a huge Dollar Tree haul. So I went to Dollar Tree because whenever it comes to like buying Easter baskets and stuff like that for, Easter for my kids and for my nephews, I like to go to the Dollar Tree for certain things that I feel like it's worth picking up, and definitely you will save some money. I know Dollar Tree is not $1 anymore, it's $1.25, but I still do think that there are a lot of things that it's still cheaper to get from Dollar Tree than other stores. So I'm really excited to start this video, but before we begin, if this is your first time watching and you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button right now, and also don't forget to click that notification bell so that way YouTube will notify you every time I post a new video. And just so you know, I do post 3 to 5 days a week, so I would love to have you. Why not join me? And also I would love if you could follow me on Instagram and LTK. If you use LTK, also known as Like to Know It, follow me there, and I will have all the links down below. Just click the link. And if you guys are wondering about the top, I actually got this from Walmart. It's really cute. It like balloons out like so, and I really love it. It's like under $16. Highly recommended. They have them in multiple colors. So if you guys are interested in this top, because I know I'm gonna get asked where I got the top, but like I said, if you're interested, just click the link. It's Walmart. You guys know I love Walmart, but this video is about Dollar Tree. Let's get right into it. Here is the first bag. It is fully stocked, and these are things, most of these things are actually for like Easter baskets ideas. So hopefully I inspire you guys to get some ideas to put in the Easter basket. The first thing that I found is actually this right here. So this is a beauty blender. I've seen these in different colors, but I got this one because this is really pretty. It's a pink. I actually got this for my daughter, so I thought this was really cute for someone that you know that likes makeup. I am doing an Easter basket for my friend as well. We're kind of doing like an exchange Easter basket. So I don't think that you only have to do Easter basket for kids. You can do like exchange Easter baskets if you want. Really, there's like no rules. So I am doing like an adult Easter basket, and the rest are for the kids. So this is one of them that I'm gonna actually put for my daughter. My daughter's a teenager. And I also found these socks. They actually have a lot of socks right now, so you might want to check it out. And it is these socks right here. This is the Junction Women's Athletic Low Cut Socks. And it fits shoe sizes 5 to 9. It's a 3 pair. They actually have them in a lot of fun prints, but I actually wanted to just get this one. It has like the pink, the nude, and the purple like bottoms, and the top right here. But I really like this, but I like the fact that it's white right here. So if I wear my white sneakers, you can only see the white part. Really cool for a 3-pack. I think that is a great deal. And then I also got this beauty blender right here. This is the latex free blender sponge. Again, they had these in different colors. It's like a tie-dye. It's really cool, so I had to get this one. I thought it was really fun. Look at that, guys. So fun. Something really cool that I found from Dollar Tree is actually this one right here. So this is the facial massage tool. Basically says that it tones your skin. It shows you kind of like a little tutorial how to do it, and in the back it also shows you more in depth how to use it. I actually got this for myself, and I wish I got more, but I thought this was really cool. And this on Amazon is like $10. This is $1.25. I thought that was really nice. So there's that. And actually, let me open it up to see how it feels, because I want to see if it feels like more plastic or more like a stone. So this is more like a plastic, but honestly it doesn't matter, because when you use it, you can use it with like facial serum or oils. This is really nice. I love it. And I love the pink quartz look to it. So pretty. And then this I actually got for my baby girl. She loves bath bombs. So I found this. This is the Mentos Beauty Bath Bombs, and it is in the scent strawberries. There's 3 of them in here. So I thought this was a really cute like little basket idea where you can throw in for your baby or whoever likes bath bombs in your life. I just thought that was really cute. And then I also got this for my baby. My baby wanted it, and I got it right away. This is the Easter chocolate cross. I love it because it has a cross, the meaning of Easter is Jesus Christ is risen, and I love that. I love the symbolic look to it. That's what I'm gonna always teach my daughter. I also have this one in the white chocolate. She did like this one, so I thought this would be perfect. My daughter, my oldest daughter, does not like chocolate. She's more of a candy freak, so I'm gonna definitely show you the candy I got for her. But my baby loves chocolate. I mean, she loves candy too, but she loves chocolate like me. Moving on to these two right here. This I also think is perfect for a Easter basket, because it's something that I feel like everybody needs in their handbag. And I got one for myself, one for my daughter. I thought this was really cool. It's the Curad First Aid Portable Pack, and it says it's ideal for travel. There's 15 items in here, and it shows you all the items that it comes with and how many each of these have. So cool. I just thought this was really nice. I always have something like this in my bag, and along with like a ointment cream, just in case, you never know. I just think this is awesome for traveling, or just to throw in your purse to have just in case. Like I said, you never know. So had to get these. And then this is a repurchase. I actually got this for my daughter. My daughter really loves it. I already have one for myself, but I decided to get one for my daughter. And this is the LA Colors Sugar Lip Scrub. And this is so good, guys. I highly recommend it. I feel like this is a hidden gem at the Dollar Tree. It is so good. It's a lip scrub. Obviously, it dries, it takes off all the crustiness from your lips. And at the same time, it moisturizes. It doesn't break either, so that's one thing I worried when I first bought this. I thought it's gonna like fall or break as I keep using it. It's so good. It doesn't. It just works really, really good. It basically claims that it gently exfoliates your lips with natural sugar and softens lips with vitamin C and coconut oil. Get it, guys? You will thank me. Moving on, I also got, this is not like an Easter basket idea. I mean, you could if someone in your life, you know, uses this like me. I needed a new pack of highlighters. I love these. It comes in a 4-pack. I always use highlighters to highlight in my Bible. Whenever I take notes or add notes, I love to use highlighters. So this I just had to restock. I really love it. Highly recommend. It works good, so I cannot complain. I also got these. This comes in the 2-pack. Is the Betty Crocker Easy Seal storage containers. I love to store my food. If I cook too much, I like to have these to have like leftovers for the next day. So it comes in the 2-pack. I love it. So I got that. And then I got this, which I thought was super cute. I got this for my baby. Actually, my baby picked it out the moment she seen it. She wanted to get it. And it is this broom and sweeper. This is so cute. My baby likes to pretend to sweep and clean, and I decided to get this for her. She got really excited. They do have these in multiple colors. I do think these are fun to like put in your little Easter basket where it kind of pops out. I just think it's super cute. So I recommend you get this. You know, maybe you'll get like your kids to become like clean freaks. And 2 items that I wanted to show you quickly, they're already eaten, so there's nothing in here, it's flat, are these right here. So these are the freeze-dried strawberries and the freeze-dried apple slices. They're gone. My baby and I ate them all. I would say the strawberry is my favorite, but the apples, again, are really nice. It has like a nice crunch. It's sweet. And the only thing that's in here is just apples. And then the ones with the strawberries, it does say that the ingredient is strawberry and sugar. But that's it, guys. So you don't have to worry about it being like unhealthy. This is actually like healthy snacks. It's vegan friendly, and I love to get this. The only my complaint about this is I remember purchasing these in the past. The bags were like double the size, and now they shrunk. But nevertheless, these are really good. Highly recommend. And then my daughter got these. This is part of her like Easter basket, my oldest daughter. This is the Bido honey. So just some candy. This is the candy she likes. And then she also got this one. This is the Sour Punch Twists. They're like individual sized little candies. And I also got this for her. These are the Jolly Rancher hard candy. So there's that. You cannot go wrong with candy for Easter. And she also wanted to get the Dum Dums. It's a really nice size. I don't like to get like big bags of candy because then I feel like, you know, she's gonna eat too much of it because she is a candy freak. So decided to get her this one. And oh my gosh, I also found this, which I thought sounded so good. I actually want to try it myself, but I got it for my baby girl. It is Fluffy Stuff Watermelon Cotton Candy. Does that not sound amazing? And it's basically just sugar. I mean, I know it's not like the healthiest thing, but who cares, right? It's for Easter, it's fun, and I wanted to get this for my baby, so I got this for her. I thought that was awesome. I'm actually excited to try it myself as well. I know it's gonna be a really nice experience for my daughter to try cotton candy for the first time. She's 2, so I know it's gonna be exciting for her to be like, oh my gosh, what is this? I thought that was fun. So I definitely think I recommend you get this. They also have the cotton candy in like a little container, so they have that, but I thought that was cool because it's watermelon. And then I also got a few of these pop rocks for my daughter. This is watermelon and tropical punch. On to the next bag. I also got an Easter basket. I have the rest of the Easter baskets that I got from Walmart, but I did get one from Dollar Tree. I thought this was super cute. It's light baby pink. It does have the handle like so, and it's just really cute, so I had to get it. And I also got this for my baby. This is going to be for her Easter basket. She already has a lot of these, but she saw it, she wanted it, so I was like, you know what, I'm going to get it for her. This is the kitchen play set. I thought that was really fun. It has the Velcro where they could pretend to cut like the apple and the pineapple. Super cute. And then it has the cutting board. I love it. They also have this one right here, which is a skillet, and then it has the look of an egg and bacon with the knife. She likes to play with these and pretend that she's cooking, and she does have like a play kitchen as well, so I know she's gonna have fun with this, so I thought that was cool. I had to get it for her. Then I also got this fun, it says that it's a ankle skipper. It lights up. Hopefully you guys can see the little light. Hopefully you guys can see that. I think you can. And I thought that was fun. I'm gonna try to teach her to skip with this. I just thought that was fun, so I decided to get this one as well. I also got this container. I don't know, I just wanted to get it. I like the size of it, and sometimes I just need like a small container to put whatever. I mean, you don't only need to use this for food. You can use it to like store whatever you want, you know, paper clips, whatever. Then I also found this cool little Play-Doh that has like different shapes that you can use for your Play-Doh, and it also has that roller. So I know she's gonna have a lot of fun with this because she has so much Play-Doh. She has so much fun with it. She has her little play knife and she plays with it, cuts it, tells me to make it into cookies and muffins and cakes. It's super cute. I also found this, guys. I don't know if I ever seen it before. Let me know if you have. I found this Pond's Purify and Refresh Makeup Remover facial wipes. There's like 10 of them. My daughter wanted it, so I had to get it for her. And I just thought this is really cute, like a nice pack. You can just throw it in the Easter basket, so I love that. And last but not least, I had to get this. I wanted to get this to hang like more of my purses. Thinking to put this in like my walk-in closet and just put like my longer strap handbags. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 of them. It does already come with the screws and the I forgot what this is. It's an anchor. So I love this. I think this is very useful, guys, and I do recommend it. I think this is perfect for like organization. It's definitely like a hidden gem at Dollar Tree. And that is it, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're still watching, you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button right now. And until next time, remember, God bless. Bye.